Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to build a trellis out of the 6-foot cedar fence picket. Alright, make sure you remove the staple. You don't want that getting into your saw. You need to throw it away. So this picket is 5.5, so we're going to cut 5 1-inch sections, and then last we'll have a little bit 1/2 inch. And you want to get one that has very few knots in it. So this one here actually, it's got a couple here. Hopefully that won't matter. I have the table saw set up, and you can see the outside of the blade is at 1 inch. So really this is going to be about 7/8 to 13/16 strips. But if I have an inch on the inside of the blade, we're not going to have any for the last piece, and we will need that. Hello. Poof. For 5 1-inch pieces, and then I have this one left over. Okay, so we're gonna stand these on their side. This one we'll move off till later. Okay, we're going to measure up 6 inches, and we're going to put glue on all the sides of it. And I'm going to put glue up 6 inches. Smear that on there. Actually, I think I want a little more on this one. Okay, put your glued pieces together and put a clamp. I put a clamp down here at the bottom, and then another clamp up here at the 6-inch mark. Wipe your glue up. Okay, I'll drill a pilot hole here, pilot hole over here, and I'll put one 2.5 inch deck screw going in each direction. Alright, while the glue's drying, we're going to come up here, and we're going to make a mark at 6 inches, 24 inches, and 43 inches. Then on our leftover piece that we have, we're going to make a mark at 3 foot and a mark at 5 foot. It is a little hot in the wood shop today. On our 3-foot piece, we're going to measure in 4.5 11 and a half, 18 inches, 24 and a half, and 31. Okay, I've laid it out here, and we're going to take our 3-foot piece and we're going to line it up. We're going to put a little dab of glue and we're going to nail it. And just take your 1-inch brad nailer, give it one right there. Okay, so I have this board lined up, so I'm going to stretch this one out. And keep the board as level as we can. I'm going to measure in and make sure it's 4.5. And then I'm going to put a dab of glue and nail it. Okay, again we're going to pull it out here. We have it level. We're lined up. So I'm going to mark this. I'm going to hold it right here. I'm going to put a little dab of glue and nail it. Okay, so hold it there. Okay, move to the next one. Okay, get that lined up. And again, we're going to glue it and nail it. And now you can do that with the rest of them. Okay. And here we're going to use a little glue. Okay, hold it in place. Nail it. Alright, we can, the clamp's been on for a while. If you can, let it set. We got the two screws in here to hold it in. There it is. An easy cedar garden trellis made out of a cedar picket, 6 foot. You can take sandpaper and sand this markings off. Very easy build. Let me know if you build this and give me suggestions of ideas to something to build next. Okay? Appreciate you watching. We'll see you on the next one.